Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to use the heat treatment validation module from ExpressThermo for Windows 10. Note that this is an add-on module, which is available through purchase. To check if your adapter has this module active, you should open the Modules Manager from the main menu. If you have already purchased the module, it will be marked Activated. If you wish to activate the module, you can do it through the Windows Store or by sending us a purchase order. The heat treatment validation module is used to validate pasteurization or sterilization processes. This validation is based on a calculation that requires some parameters. ExpressThermo allows you to save templates so you can use them recurrently, without having to introduce the necessary input values every time. Press Heat Treat Templates in the main menu. Note that to be able to save the templates, you must have previously set their folder. See our ExpressThermo settings tutorial for instructions on how to do it. On the left side of this editor, you will see the list of all saved heat treatment validation templates, if any. Right below, you'll find buttons that allow you to add, edit, and delete a template. Let's see one of these templates in detail. Just select a template. Click Edit, and the corresponding information appears on the right side. We see the template's name, the kind of unit calculation to be performed, and parameter values. Let's go a bit in depth on what these values mean. Tref refers to the reference temperature. Tmin is the minimum temperature, that is, the temperature below which there is no contribution to the process. NZ indicates the temperature variation required to reduce the bacteria count by a factor of 10. Based on these values, ExpressThermo will compute the number of pasteurization units, PU, or sterilization units, F0, depending of your choice. Where 1 PU represents the heating up to 60 degrees Celsius for 1 minute, and 1 F0 stands for the heating up to 121.111 degrees Celsius, also for 1 minute. Pressing the Save button will make your changes effective and saved in the templates file. Once you have saved your templates, you can use them on the main page. Let's see how. You can download a logger or open a file with the heat treatment log data. In this example, we will open a file. Just press the Plot Heat Treatment button on the command bar and choose the desired template to see a new line appear on the chart with the result of the calculation. You can find more detailed information about the process in the Statistics tab. Please note that the calculation of pasteurization or sterilization units is a mathematical model and provides a theoretical value. It is important to periodically verify the process through bacteriological analyses of processed products. This concludes the tutorial on the optional heat treatment validation module. Thank you for watching. Please check the ExpressThermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.